Hello everybody, and in today's episode of Project Dream, we're going to be ripping out all the suspension, and then we're going to be taking the transmission out and then dropping the engine. Stay tuned. Alright, so one of the things we need to do to get the transmission out is we need to get all this shift lever stuff out. And the reason why is because this directly bolts down into the transmission. So if we're going to drop it, we're going to drag this along with it. So we need to get like all this shift stuff off and some linkages and bolts down there. So this cover in here is held in by like 4 clips along here. And I do not like Japanese plastic. Put this side up. There we go. Look at that. That is how taking these covers should be. There you go. Twist this knob off, but oh yeah, there you go. Look at that. All right, done. Take cover off. Get a closer look now of what this, how worn all this actually is, and just remove the rest of this stuff. That. Look at the goodie. Look at that. Oh. Alright, now just be able to flip. Oh, I got it? Look at that, I got it! What the heck? Oh, there we go. Look at that. That is how you take oil. Oh, hey, look at that. It's actually clear. Isn't that something? It's like a clear golden color. I think somebody changed it. Easy enough. Oh, sweet. I'm super confused. So I'm not sure if I love or hate Mazda for doing this, but way down there, there's a bolt that goes to the other side of the starter. It's way down. It's right there. Oh, there we go. Alright, there's the bolt. Look how long that is. Goes from down there onto the other side, and that's where the nut was. Should be able to just come in here and there we go. Alright, and this should just slide off, and there we go. There's our starter. Oh, there you go, that's it. Leave galore. Before we pull the bolts off the transmission that connect to the back of the engine, we have to take out this clutch line right here. Or we could try to take this one out too, because this is a rubber side, so that's just going to twist. But this here is the threaded hard line, so we'll try to get that one off instead. Oh, I don't want to pull the that thing right out of the car. Alright, so I'm sure a lot of you guys here watching the video are probably wondering how to get those two bolts that are back here. Now, I've seen a few videos of people do this, so I'm going to give it my own go. There is one bolt that is right here, and I believe I can actually reach this with an extension and an impact gun. So I'll go ahead and do that, and then there's another one that is like up over here, and I'm sure that's the tough one that I'll try and figure out how to get. What I believe we can do is just take this top hose right here that comes up through here. We can just disconnect that and flex it down, because I'm pretty sure that is a coolant line extension. So we'll stick this guy right there. Just give it a little bit of tension. Take our extra long bar. Now we'll try to. There we go. Look at that. Yes. Oh. Heck yeah, baby! So supposedly this is the bolt everyone's talking about, the bolt of doom, located right there. Honestly, it doesn't look that bad to me, so we'll just take it out. Sure is crusty. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Alright. Ow. It's weird, just I don't think that's part of the transmission, but maybe it is. So I didn't want to happen. Alrighty, let's try to get this out now. There we go. Check that out. Look at that, we can wiggle the transmission, so we need to pull it back out. Try to use the jack. Alright, so we got Brandon here. He's going to be helping get the top of the transmission out, then I'm going to go under here and keep prying up and down and slowly wiggle the sucker out, huh? Yeah. It's catching on the hydraulic clutch solenoid thingy. Yeah. Well, I think we could just pop it out from. Well, there's two mounts. There's from the engine, or there's from the firewall.
Well, that one back there looks.
Customized eccentric shaft, and then you have to get customized cooling ports and all this other stuff. There it goes. Yep, just pour right on the Just pour right on the flywheel.
There, that will hold it on.
Yeah, there's two.
Do that.
Well, now I hate myself because I was literally looking at this. I'm like, I could like spend another hour taking all those out, or I could just send it. So I decided to send it. Now I'm gonna end up like spending more time trying to like get all this out. Nothing wrong. Yeah. But they are literally just rusted to heck. Alright, set her down. Yes. Alright. Wait. We're down all the way. Out. Look at that. That is the overly complicated way to get a transmission out.
Truly. Alright, what do you want with that, bud?
Good question. Let's just put it over here. It's not raining.
No, it snowed this month though.
Yeah, it snowed here too. Heck yeah.
Yeah, it looks disgusting.
Yeah.
Well, that's just the amateurs that we dropped in there.
Yeah. This is just that cord I pulled out earlier. So yeah, so that nut. So there is the nut that was back here that was a pain to get out. And then the nut here is the one everyone complains about, but it's not that bad. And then this one here. So, but funny enough, it actually looks a lot smaller.
That looks like the size of my transmission.
Look at this.
In my truck?
This wasn't us that did this. Modification or where?
That just looks like it just got sheared off on accident somehow.
Wasn't us though. I mean, it's clipped though. It's not sheared, it's clipped.
Huh. Alright, engine time.
Engine time? Yeah. Well, there's still some things we gotta take these off. We can do that later.
Yeah,
We'll do it later.